Additive manufacturing, 3D printing, has lots and lots of phrases and lots of terminology, and people talk about it in different ways, but essentially they mean the same thing. So they talk about rapid prototyping, rapid tooling, rapid technologies, rapid manufacturing. Essentially it's all 3D printing, it's just different terminologies. Additive manufacturing is another term that gets used an awful lot nowadays. I don't think it's reached a stage where there's one terminology for the whole of this industry. It's just got lots of different versions of what it is. At Stratasys, we have two distinct technologies. We have the Polyjet technology and the fused deposition technology, FDM. This is probably the technology a lot of you will have seen. This is where the entry-level markets come in at. They're using 20-year-old Stratasys technology, so the part of our technology that the patent's gone on, they're now using that, and that's where that comes from. The Polyjet technology is based upon an acrylic resin that's ink-jetted down at very fine layers, and it's then UV cured as it ink-jets it down. So when you finish printing, or even halfway through the print process, the product is totally cured. I've got two little videos, if I can get them running properly, showing the two technologies running. As you can see, the Polyjet technology is very similar to an inkjet printer. It moves from left and right, and it is inkjetting the material down. And you can see the lamp following it is curing the material as it prints it. And as you can see, it is very very fine layers. The FDM technology, I always think of it as more drawing than printing. It kind of plots out the path it's going to take. The difference between the two technologies is really the material. FDM uses real amorphous or crystalline plastics. Polyjet is using an acrylic resin that's UV curable. So the way they tend to fall into the marketplace is Polyjet tends to be used more for prototyping and very specialist tooling applications, whereas FDM tends to go for more jigs, fixtures, tooling and end-use parts nowadays as well.